In this video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone is not showing the allow camera access toggle in the settings app. So to fix this, first head to the settings page. Now tap on screen time. In here, you will need to scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now here select allowed apps and features. Now make sure that the camera toggle is enabled from here. Once you have done that, you should be able to enable or disable camera access for each of your apps manually. However, if this doesn't work or if the camera toggle is still missing, what you can do is try restarting your iPhone. This will fix any temporary issues and hopefully get the camera toggle back. However, if you keep facing this problem with a specific app like Steam or Snapchat for instance, all you have to do is simply uninstall the app from your iPhone and then reinstall it. This should hopefully get the camera access permission back. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.